Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. If you're new here, I say a warm welcome to you. Join the family by subscribing. We're growing together, learning together. Today we're making jollof rice, beginner friendly, simple. For this jollof rice, we're using tomato sauce, tomato paste, anise seeds, and dry rosemary, red onion, yellow onion, some pepper, avocado oil. You can use any oil of your choice. For starters, put some oil in your pan. Let this cook for like 5 minutes. So I just added the tomato paste and let that cook for 5 minutes. Tomato sauce, cayenne pepper, cover and let it cook for like 5 to 7 minutes. Friends, at this point, our stew has been cooking for the past 10-15 minutes and it's ready for the rice. Add your rice. Add water. Just a little bit above the rice. Salt. At this point, you want to cover, let the steam do the cooking. After 15 minutes, you're going to give it a quick stir. It has been on low heat. Cover again for another 15 minutes. Guys, our jollof rice is ready. The trick is allowing the steam to do the cooking for you. This is basmati rice. The outcome is going to be different if you use a different kind of rice. We did not blend anything. No blending. You can do this on a lazy day. Friends, I have some cauliflower in the fridge, so I'm going to just spread it on top of the jollof rice. Cover it up to steam for like 5 minutes, and our jollof rice will be good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one.